In this video, we'll show you how to install your radar range extender. The range extender will come from the factory on the wire, and you just need to adjust the length of it to match the inside of your tank. Knowing the inside dimension of your tank, then you can measure down the wire and mark with a permanent marker the bottom length of your tank. Some people mark this an inch shorter so that they have a good taut wire in their tank. Now I'll pull this extra loop out that's holding it in place so that you can thread this wire through to the bottom and give yourself some space to grab it. Pull your measurement wire through until your marked location is visible, and then thread that wire back up through the range extender so your marked bottom is at the bottom of the range extender. Then we're going to cut off this extra pigtail with leaving about 2 inches on the pigtail, being careful not to cut the actual measurement wire. Then thread this pigtail back in through the range extender to hold it in place, making sure this pigtail is not so long that it comes down and touches that metal piece. Then you're good to lower the range extender and wire into the tank. Thanks for watching.